In nature's vast tapestry, mythical beings act as stewards of harmony. These are the guardians of creation, creatures of extraordinary beauty and balance. The Verdant Weaver nurtures the land, weaving life into every corner it touches. Its presence turns desolation into flourishing. The Oceanic Sentinel protects the seas, fostering balance in its depths. From vibrant coral reefs to open waters, it ensures the oceans thrive in harmony. The Aether Lynx bridges the heavens, ensuring the stars align in harmony. Its celestial dance reminds us of the beauty and order of creation. The Verdant Weaver, Oceanic Sentinel, and Aether Lynx, nature's architects of balance and harmony. Together, they sustain the wonder of creation. In their quiet stewardship, these guardians remind us of the beauty of creation. A gift meant to be cherished and protected.